There wasn't any experience close to this course before. The whole course for me was something amazing and exciting. I don't know what's coming up. It's not sequential. It's full of surprises.
It's called Entrepreneurship Lab. So it's a practical course for senior students of business, and it is our first time to introduce this format in that course.
So we have been in talks with corporates and industry to come up with the problem statements, what these industries are facing, and formalizing it in order for students to start to develop solutions to innovate the challenges that these corporates and industries face.
The initiative started when we collaborated with AUC at the beginning of the semester to create a challenge-based course for the students to implement what they learn within the classroom in real-life experiences. And today we're here to see and showcase the students when they present their innovative solutions that are driven by AI to help us overcome these real-life challenges.
This one is definitely my favorite because we get to work way more closer with our teachers and also partner organizations like Elaraby this year. I got a lot of opportunities to learn about how to use AI and how to implement it in a business setting.
If one of the solutions is able to overcome the challenges, we can actually pilot with one of the student groups at Elaraby Group and implement their solution within the departments. And I think this is part of the post success of the course.